So we're in Clovis, California, just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon water heater. You can see down here is your model number and serial number. You can go to bradfordwhite.com and give them that information. Get your warranty going. It's a 6-year parts, 1-year labor. Up the top, we gave you a brand new shutoff valve, quarter turn shutoff valve as per proposal and contract. And so that's in. And then Falcon stainless steel supplies. They're wrapped right now, but these are pure stainless steel, flexible. They're mega flexible connectors that go down. We've got some little brass extensions right here. So everything we put in is solid brass or stainless steel. Both flow very well. Existing piping at home is iron pipe, and we'll explain why the walls are open here in a minute. But anyways, it's insulated. New vent pipe up to the top is just a little bit short by like a couple inches. So we just took a little tiny piece up at the very top to extend it to make sure that it's getting that it's inserted all the way into the dual wall B vent that's up in the attic. So that's good. Down to the draft diverter. Relief line comes with the unit, and so that guy we use CPVC to come over. It was actually behind the water heater. Let's see if I can get you a video down there. So that guy right there, you can see that's iron pipe coming out of the wall, and so just an adapter, and then CPVC coming over, and that dumps out. Upper third, I got an adjustable strap. Lower third, adjustable strap as per code and contract. Over here, brand new gas valve, a gas supply line. That's your controller. Down here, you want to pay special attention to that. Scalding risk increases with hotter water. So we leave it at hot, which is approximately 120. And you can turn it up or down. That's up to you. But we can't turn it up. You know, we want to make sure that we don't scald someone after we leave. So we leave it right there at 120. Everything looks good here. Couple issues. We're not sure what's going on. They had a repair here at one point. One of the water lines was leaking under slab, so you can see it's kind of wet around here. It wasn't before. Water's back onto the home, so we're hoping this dries up, and we're gonna have them get a fan in here, put this on pilot or turn it off, get a fan in here, and kind of get this dried up. You know, anything else that's going on, there's something going on under slab, then you already know what to do. You've been through that process before. But so water heater's installed. You got 50 gallons in there already heated up. And everything looks good outside of that. This installation is done.